The train had started punctually. Among the passengers were a number of officers, government officials, and merchants. Passepartout rode in the same carriage with Mr. Fogg, and a third passenger occupied a seat opposite to them. This was Sir Francis Cromarty. This was Sir Francis Cromarty. One of the friends Mr. Fogg made on the ship Mongolia that brought him to Bombay. எங்க இந்த பேரா படி?
The train had started punctually. Among the passengers were a number of officers, government officials, and
மெர்ச்சன்ட்ஸ்னா வணிகர்கள், வியாபாரிகள். சரியா?
merchants. Passepartout rode in the some carriage
in the same carriage
with Mr. Fogg and third passenger with Mr. Fogg and third passenger occupied a side opposite to them. This was Sir Francis Cromarty. One of the friends Mr. Fogg made on the ship Mongolia that brought him to Bombay.
Okay.